Today see about months of the year and months of the days. Totally 12 months in a year. First month January, short form Jan, Jan. January, January. Second month February, February, February. Third month March, March, March. Fourth month April, April, April. Fifth month May, May, May. Sixth month June, June, June. Seventh month July, July, July. Eighth month August, August, August. Ninth month September, September, September. 10th month October, October, October. 11th month November, November, November. 12th month December, December, December. This is the months of the year. Next see about months of the days. First month for January. January how many days? 31 days. Second month is February. February total month days is 28. Then 29 days in a leap year. 4 years அதாவது calendar every 4 years once time, one extra days in February month. This is the leap years. 2024 is a leap years. Then next 4 years 2028 is a leap year. 2032 is a leap year. 2036 is a leap year. Leap year is February month is 29 days. Other month, other years is February month 28 days. March month days for 31 days. Fourth month April months 1 month dates for 30 days, 30 days. Fifth month May month is 31 days, 31 days. Sixth month June month 30 days, 30 days. Seventh month July days, July month days for 31 days, 31 days. Eighth month August, August same for 31 days, 31 days, 1 month. The next 9 months for September, September 1 month days for 30 days, 30 days. Then next 10th month October, October month days for 31 days, 1 month days for 31 days, October. Then 11th month November month for 30 days, 30 days, 1 month. Then next last 12th month for December, December 1 month days for 31 days, 31 days for December. This is the months of the days. Thanks for the watching video. Like, share, comment, then subscribe our channel.